Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch wireless carriers from your old wireless carrier to a new one. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Let's make sure that the SIM card is unlocked, allowing you to switch carriers to a new one. To do that, you're going to first just scroll down and tap on General here. And then at the very top, let's tap on About. You can see once I'm in About, I can scroll down and I'm looking for carrier lock here. Now, if you tap on it, you're going to check to see if your iPhone, the SIM card in it, has a carrier lock. This means that your current carrier basically has locked that SIM card and you can't transfer out to another carrier. This is usually because you owe money still on that phone. If you do see that it has a SIM lock on here, you need to go through the unlock process first before you can transfer it over. If it is unlocked, you of course don't need to do that. Now, if it is locked, you can see here network is AT&T. I can just open up a web browser and type in AT&T unlock phone and just go through the process of checking and unlocking that device. Now, let's say you've gone through that process, you've unlocked your phone. Now you want to switch from one carrier to a new carrier. It's really important if you want to keep the old phone number on the old carrier plan that you don't cancel that old carrier plan until everything is transferred over. Now, let's say instead of AT&T, I wanted to go over to US Mobile. So the next thing you would do is type in US Mobile plans, and then you can just go and hop into US Mobile, and then basically you can choose a plan. You can hit make a switch and then find the plan that works for you. So just go through on the new carrier and sign up for the new plan. So now you have your old carrier plan and your new carrier plan. Now we need to switch your phone number and the line from the old one to the new one. And to be able to do that, we're going to do a process called porting. So let's say, again, in this instance, I have AT&T. So I'm going to type in AT&T port out. So again, AT&T port out. And you can see it says, get a PIN to transfer your wireless number. Now, when you port out or transfer out from an old carrier, you need two things. One is you need your account number. And the second thing is you need a port out PIN number. So you can see on here, it says get a PIN to transfer. And if I scroll down, it says basically I can log in and go to settings and hit request a new PIN, or I can do it with the AT&T app, or I can even just call star port on my phone. So just open up the phone app and dial star port. And then keep in mind on here, you will need the account number as well as that PIN number that they give you. So after you've gotten that, you've gotten the PIN number or the port out number, and you have your account number on the old plan, then you're going to go to your new plan. So again, I'm on US Mobile here. So I'm going to type in US Mobile port in. So I'm porting out of the old plan and porting into the new plan. And you can see it says porting your number to US Mobile. And you can see you can scroll through here and it says, how do I do that? You basically sign into your account, hit add a line, and then you're going to enter the IMEI number. If you don't know how to find that IMEI number, you can always just go to your settings. And then in the about section that we were in before, if I scroll down here, you can see there is that IMEI number. They might request that to be able to port in or transfer your carrier from the old one to the new one. Now, again, you can go through this process. It says you need your password or PIN from the old one, and then you can hit transfer the phone number. So again, by doing all of this, you need to have both plans set up. Don't cancel your old plan until everything is completely transferred over, and then go to your new carrier and say, all right, I want to port in that phone number and go through that process on your account. After you've done that, let's check to make sure everything worked. So after you've gone through the entire process, you've set up a new eSIM on your iPhone with the new carrier. Let's just hop into your settings and tap on cellular. And then scroll down and you should see an eSIM on here with the new carrier. You can see this case AT&T, and after you've gone through that process and everything is transferred over, you can turn off the old line. You can just toggle it off for a little bit and then just wait. And then after that, you can also just go in there and delete that old eSIM. But again, you're going to set up the new eSIM and port over the new phone number before you do that process. Again, you could lose your old phone number if you cancel out or delete the old one before you do this. And on your new eSIM, all you need to do is turn it on. And after you do turn it on, you can just hop into the phone app here and then just dial something like 611 and hit call. And then basically, well, I had just turned off my eSIM, but just dial 611 or something like that and make sure that it does dial and it does work. Have another friend or relative call your phone number and make sure it still works on your phone. It rings to your phone, and then you can go to your old carrier. You can cancel that plan. You can delete out the eSIM, and now you're fully transferred over. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.